What's going on, guys? Sorry I was a little late there. I was talking to Jonah. Watchlist has not been sent out because my guy is actually driving a U-Haul right now to go pick up his stuff so that he can move into his new house. And yes, that is correct. He is done with the traveling, and I couldn't be happier because I'm so pissed that he didn't get that watch list sent out, because I wrote up a really good watch list today because it's the conclusion of the FOMC day. So I feel like I wasted time this morning writing up that watch list for him, but I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Give me a second here. Let me grab that email I sent him. Let me forward it over to the computer. And I'll post the watch list on the Discord. Okay, give me a second here. Post that watch list on the Discord. Got it. Hold on. We're multitasking up in here. Oh, can't send all this at once. Okay, no problem. Boom. Done. I just saw what Trade Simple posted in the Discord. And here, guys, if you're new, here's the Discord. It's free. Welcome to my live stream. I've yesterday had yet another epiphany, and it was a simple fact that I start off these live streams like everybody knows me. Like, there might be some new people clicking up here right off the bell, and they're like, who the hell's this guy and what's he doing? Well, my name's Jesse, and I've been trading for 7 years. I'm a prop firm trader right now, and we're going to trade futures today, and we're going to go over the watch list. We're going to look at equities. I'm going to tell you and give you my thoughts and any piece of education that I can give you. All right, so that's what we do here. I answer questions from new traders, intermediate traders, advanced traders. It does not matter. Post up your questions and let's get to work, guys. So, Great Dane, the Beast, what's up, guys? So today's watch list, we got SPY, of course, APM, ACAN, IMGN. All right, and then we know today's the conclusion of the FOMC meeting. So what am I expecting this morning? I'm expecting a whole lot of nothing. Just like you can tell right off the open here, we've done absolutely nothing. Why? Because every piece of algorithm, every trader at a trade desk, be it a pajama trader or some dude on Wall Street, is waiting for what? 2 p.m. conclusion of the FOMC, 2:30 when Jerome Transitory Powell is on the podium and says what the things he needs to say. All right. And when he says the things he needs to say, that's when we will know what direction this market is probably going to want to go in. And I'm going to give you right now my thoughts. Very simple. We get 25 basis point rate hike and a pause. This market, bang, couple day run to the upside before turning back around later on next week and fading that push. All right. If they give no rate hike and say they're stopping, they're done, they're pausing here, right? They're going to stay data dependent for the future, but nothing going on here. No planned raises. Bang, rocket ship again to the upside. Okay. If they give 25 basis point hike and say, hey, you might get another one next meeting, well, I think markets go lower. If they say no rate hike today, but maybe on the next one, probably knee-jerk reaction to the upside followed by a quicker fade. All right. Either way, if we get into the 420s again, I'm looking to get puts for a multi-month swing trade to the downside. Probably puts going out towards sometime next year, January or beyond. All right, there you go, guys. That's what I'm thinking. Now, as far as day trades go, I'm definitely going to be sitting on my hands a lot this morning. If I take any trades, I'll probably be very small. Okay, until 2:30 when Jerome does his dance, and after that is when I'll be looking to trade. Now, let me show you what I did yesterday. Yesterday, I did a thing. So now I have two $250,000 accounts, both $7,000 and change away from being funded. Okay. How did I do that? Well, I'll show you the clip right here. Try to make this smaller so you can see it. Can you see that? Yes, you can. So I'm in here for a little bear flag formation, full size, looking for a full send, looking at 4110 for a level of bounce on the ES. So I have my cover set at 4112, sorry. We'll go ahead and fast forward this a little bit. Yeah. Gave it all. This was a second account, guys. If this would have been the original account, I would have already been done. This is the second account. Remember, I bought when they were doing those specials, we bought those what were they called? Bundle accounts. Bundle accounts. And right there, we get the fill, bang, and done. $7,000 in change ended up being that trade. But the best part about that one is that, hold on, guys. Sorry, guys, my kid needed some help. So the best part about all this is that yesterday's account, now that one has, I think it's about $6,800 in auto liquidation threshold, meaning my trading stop is far away from me. So that account has $257,318.66. The auto liquidation threshold is at $250,818 with 66 cents. Okay. Now the account I've been trading in for the past 5 days, 4 days, something like that, has $257,550.26. The auto liquidation threshold, though, is $254,696.09. So you can see that yesterday's really gave me a huge gap between my auto liquidation or my trailing stop loss, right? That's the only way you fail here if you hit that number. Huge gap there. So I have plenty of space there. So I really like that one. I'm sitting super comfortable there. And then the other one is a little bit tighter. You're looking at almost $3,000 only in wiggle room. So kind of tight there. I mean, sure, if you're trading a couple contracts, you're not tight. You got lots of room, but I'm not trying to trade a couple contracts on a $250,000 account. Yeah, that's the idea of the beast. You know, the 50K, which is already funded, the 250, the 150, and then a 25,000. If I get all of those, I'm sitting pretty, because then I'll use the 25,000 one for swing trading, and then I'll probably just trade in the 250K one. But the $25,000 one, I want to use that one for swing trading. I think it's a fun idea, and you can swing trade here at this firm, guys. Now, it's not like, oh yeah, you can swing trade ES. No, you can't swing trade ES, but you can swing trade the MES. And how many contracts can you do? They allow up to 3 contracts for swing trades. It's not bad. It's not bad at all, because sometimes you get these big moves. on the overnight with the Globex session, and that's all you need. You know, three MESs, you'll make some money overnight. Wake up in the morning, bang. All right, guys. So seeing right now, really quiet open here. Smallies have been making some moves lately. APM, super choppy there. New high all the way back down here in front of the lows, but it's holding up well. You got to keep an eye on that one. Right now, it's holding the 23.6 Fibonacci with VWAP. Not much of a daily level there, so I don't like it too much, but it is holding support. Yo, Adam, what's up, man? Thank you. And we got numbers coming out here in 3 minutes at 9:45 a.m. Thank you, the Beast. You got global composite PMI forecasted at 53.5. You got services PMI forecasted at 53.7. We'll see what those come in at. Should get some sort of reaction there. Guys, take a look at this. That's how much money I made on my money last month. $872.92. Because I'm making 4.8% APY using Wealthfront's cash account. Now, it's normally 4.3, but when you use the referral link from a current customer of theirs, they'll give you half BIP up, right? So you'll go from 4.3 to 5 to 4.8 for 3 months. Okay, yeah, 3 months. So that's a nice little boost. Also, no one's really doing 4.3. Not even Apple is reaching 4.3 with their savings account. So I'd suggest any extra money that you have just sitting in your savings account, you might want to consider, if it's not this one, looking into something like this where it's not an investment. It's just sitting in the cash account and it's FDIC insured. So it ain't like if that bank closes up tomorrow, you lose your money either. You know what I'm saying? So I'd suggest you look into that. Here is the link in chat. What I did was I put my real estate fund money in there. And you could do this. My brother-in-law did it a couple of weeks ago from his phone within like 5-10 minutes. And now he's getting 4.8%. And I went from 4.3 to 4.8. So we're both at 4.8 for the next 3 months. So you sign up, you get your cousin or your brother, your friend to sign up. Now you both go, you know, what, 6 months? Well, you'll go 6 months at 4.8 and they'll go 3 months on 4.8. It's a no-brainer, man. Because it added that 872 last month. Now this month, you know, I got more money in that account. With that 4.8, I'll make over 900 this month. Think about it. You got money sitting there. You might be able to just pay for a vacation, you know, a year from now. Like you might be able to make a couple $1,000. All right, so global composite PMI was forecasted at 53.5, came in at 53.4. Services PMI came in at 53.6, forecasted at 53.7. So I'd say these came in right in line with expectations. Right? It didn't meet it, but it's right in line. It's right in line. Previous was 52.3. We were forecasted 53.5. We came in 53.4. Not that big a difference. Previous on the PMI, services PMI was 52.6. Forecasted 53.7. We came in at 53.6. Not bad. Not bad. It came in pretty close. SPY, not much of a reaction off that. IMGN just drifting higher. ACAN drifting lower. ACAN not holding support. IMGN far away from the support zone that we had identified on the watch list. How much is in the account? About $230 some odd $1,000. That's, that's why I made $800 and almost 900 last month. But let's say you put in there $10,000. You're gonna make over $430 on the year. I'm damn sure if you have $10,000 at Bank of America, they're not gonna give you $430 on the year for that money. You know what I'm saying? Or even $5,000. You got $5,000. That's gonna be $220 on the year, and it's just based on 5,000, right? That's if you draft out the interest you make every month. If you leave it there, it's just gonna compound throughout the year, and you'll make a little bit more. And there's no reason why by the end, if its money is just sitting in Bank of America, right, or in some Chase savings account, making less than 1% a month. I'm sorry, 1% a year APY. No, it's crazy. Now, if it's money you're using day in, day out to live, yeah, I keep that in my regular checking account and my regular savings account because it's the money I use day in, day out to live. But the money is just sitting there for emergencies or for investments that I'm waiting on, then yeah, I'll just move it over there and bang, 4.8% for the next 3 months. And not even. Next week, I'll get my wife to sign up. And it'll be 4.8% for 6 months. And if we get that 25 basis point hike today, that's probably going to go up. That's probably going to go up a little bit more. So yeah, it's a no-brainer. All right, guys, this SPY is just sitting up there, floating in front of the high day. Guys, I'm not looking to push a trade this morning unless I get a clean setup because I'm gonna wait for 2:30, man. That's when we should get, Jerome comes out, does his little song and dance, and then we should get directional move. APM still struggling there. INGN just going straight up, guys. It's just drifting higher. I mean, so is the SPY. SPY's going straight up, basically. Okay. You got 3 candles of straight upward movement here. You're getting a 9 AMA VWAP cross to the upside now as well. This 4150 area is a little bit of a minor level of resistance on the ES. I think you have room there towards 4155. 4153 to 4155 would be the next level of potential resistance. Guys, Trade Ideas has 25% off going on here for a few days. Make sure you check that out. Nice squeeze there on the ES to 53. The beast is long. Where'd you get long, the beast? What a move, man. Look at that SPY just straight up. Nice scalp. Hell yeah. Congrats. I was trying to reach the next potential level of resistance. Let me show you on this hourly chart. Why is it not? Oh, there we go. So here's your next level of resistance. You see these previous tops up here at 55? Top. We're right up into it now. Nice. From 47. You know, I looked at the chart and I was like, he did that 47 breakout. From 47 to 53. Nice. Good job. Look at how we shied away from that line we have here, guys, at 55 zone. Already down to 51s here. All right, guys. Just watching here, waiting to see if I get a little trade in. A drop on the SPY back down here towards that VWAP 9 AMA zone could be half decent. Yeah, that coincides with some previous support back here from the 28th of April. I'm gonna watch that little level. Yeah, exactly, the beast. When it's choppy and stuff, the tick chart is the way to go. I mean, if you want to scalp, for sure, for sure. If you want to try to get in there, grab like 2-3 points at a time, the tick chart is the way to go. Wow, it's slowing down. I'm just sitting there. APM folding it up, coming all the way back down here to new lows. IMGN just continuously drifting higher, guys. I said to watch for $12 area on that one, and we've already reached it. There you go, 5 points. Hell yeah, man. That's really good. Nothing else going on anywhere. Damn. The SoFi get all the way back down to $4 and change. Wow. Got demolished off of that 650 line. Good lord. Palantir's been holding up really well in those sevens, man. Despite whatever the market's done, it's held very well inside of that channel above 7. Not sure that it'll hold it forever, but it's been holding it fairly well. I'm not an active trader of Palantir or SoFi. I'm just long-term investor in both. Yeah. Did you guys see what happened to PACW? Look at this daily chart. Bang, bang, both, all the way back down here to the lows. All the way down. Now a nice bounce back up off that level. The SPY sitting right now in the middle of yesterday's price action. That's why it's so choppy. Cat's breakfast. Yeah, man. Got a little bit of bull flag formation here going on the SPY, guys. Like I said, I'm not looking to be very active this morning. I'm gonna hold on to my capital in the account and the mental capital for this afternoon. This afternoon's FOMC conclusion days. I prefer to trade in the afternoons. There is the firm I trade with and my discount code, guys. You'll get at a minimum 20% off with that code. If they have a better special, it'll apply that one. Super slow. Yeah, man, I'm almost ready to give up on the morning and go have some breakfast, but we'll hang out a little bit longer. Just sitting up there, not much going on. Yo, Bill, took the day off. Wait for 2:30 today. Wow, that's dedication. Nice job. Looks like we're gonna start to pull back a little bit now. Let's see if that 9 AMA can hold some support. The beast. The beast will run the Discord with the GIF. Yeah, he'll bring some volatility, that's for sure. All right, brother. Take care. Have a good night's rest. Yeah, Bill, I agree. I'd rather wait for the real volatility later. And maybe this little 47 area could be scalpable. That's always possible. But like, I honestly don't want to, I don't even want to shoot a shot right now. I'd rather wait for later when the dust settles after 2:30. Yeah, Great Dane. That's what's up, man. Congrats. All right, man. See you later. See, we're pulling all the way back down in a VWAP. Not much, guys. Maybe we got to bounce off that level. It's possible, but I honestly just don't want to hit the button this morning. I don't want to. It's got to scream at me to hit the button this morning. If it wasn't because of the 2:30, you know, we got FOMC conclusion today. Yeah, I'd probably give this a stab with a stop under 46. If I'd be long here, 47.75, stop under 46. But I'm not going to do it. My hands are up here. They're not hitting buttons right now. I just can't get myself to hit the button there. I'll wait for this afternoon after Jerome talks and gives his speech thing. Wow, man, that thing's just stuck there. I feel like I should have bounced and be trading at 50 already. Hey guys, you know, we could do a little Q&A if you want. Any questions or any charts you want me to look up, you can throw them up there. I'll be happy to do that. I'll stream a little bit longer this morning here. A little bit longer more. 10:09 a.m. Stream a little bit longer. Not much longer. Gonna get some stuff done around the house and play with my kid. And then at 10:30, at 2:30, I'll be ready to rock and roll. What I'll do is I'll be on the Discord. The Discord's free if anybody wants to swing by. I'll be here on the Discord. There's a link in chat. And that's when I'll be trading. This doesn't look terrible here, but there's just a little bit of lack of volume this morning. And it's because, think about it this way. If you're sitting there like I'm sitting there thinking, 2:30, that's when I really want to be more active, then there's going to be a lot of other traders in similar mindset. So this move might work. You might get back to 53, 54, 55 area. But the likelihood, I like to play the odds, you know, and that's just like one take profit. So sure, if you want to just scalp that move from 47, 48 to 53, that's a really damn good move to scalp. But if that's all it's going to be, you know, like I'm not going to sit here and think we're going to get to 65, 70 right now. Maybe we do, and this thing makes me look like a fool, but I got to play the odds. And I don't think the odds are there for that move, so I'm just going to sit tight. Adam, with the, it depends. It depends. I actually cover commission and fees in the course as well, in the futures course. It depends what broker you go with. So you can see very small fees or just about that. Those are pretty expensive in my opinion. But you could see smaller fees than that. And the fees are definitely higher as well in a way for stuff like the MESs versus the ES. Here you go, guys. This code is still working because Joel hasn't changed it. So if you're interested in going through the futures course, it's going to come out to 240 some odd bucks with that coupon code I just shared there. I would strongly suggest you test it. See how I told you. What did I tell you? that setup, while even though it looked good, it probably wasn't going to work out. You're going to learn how to identify this stuff when you go through the courses. Adriana, good morning, good morning. I mean, honestly, I wasn't even going to get up here and get in front of the platform in the morning today. I was just going to wait for the afternoon, but I was like, nah, let me hop on there because, you know, I'll stream with you guys. But yeah, right now, just going to wait for the afternoon. Pulling all the way back down. Yeah, Bill. Yeah, I'm with you, man. I'm with you. I'm going to probably hang out for like another 5 minutes and then I'm going to get going. A little bit earlier than usual, but honestly, there's not much that's going to go on this morning, in my opinion. Nice move there on Pack W, guys, all the way back to $7.50 high a day. IMGN, guys. Oh my God, what a move on this thing. Now you finally got the 90 MA VWAP cross. On the watch list, we said to watch this one for a move towards 1250. We hit over 1325. I think that one reached. 8PM didn't work out. AKN didn't work out. Only smally to work out this one has been IMGN. And it's really just drifted straight up and now starting to extend. Really good volume on this push. Really good. I'd watch that 9 AMA for a possible support zone. Guys, if you missed the start of the stream, after we end it, I would invite you to go and watch it. I shared there a live trade recording from yesterday that I was able to take, and I explained what it was and how it worked out. All right, guys, I'm going to get out of here. Unless you have a question. If you guys have any questions, throw them up in chat right now. I'll be happy to go over some charts with you. Otherwise, I'm going to take it this morning, and I'll be on the Discord at 2:30 p.m. and going over the FOMC stuff. And then tomorrow, 9:15 a.m., of course, Thursday. Good Lord, man, this week has flown by. First week of May, tomorrow's already Thursday. Just crazy. All right, gang, I'm going to get going. I will see you all tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m., or I'll see you in the Discord later this afternoon. Have a good one. Peace.